Hey, it's good to be back, although not as exciting as being on vacation. What's great is I had enough time to test my two new iPad Pro accessories, KB0411 and BK2007, both ultra-thin and super light iPad keyboard cases, which I used to write a script for this video. Let's talk, but first question for you. Do you use trackpad or mouse with your iPad? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is sponsored by Inateck. Make sure you check the link in the description and a pinned comment. You're gonna love those discounts. Now let's go. Unboxing was as simple as it can be, with manuals, keyboard case and cables inside. KB0411 weirdly arrived with USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which is not as bad, but still it feels kinda old. This accessory is compatible to iPad Pro 11-inch models from 2018 to 2022 and iPad Air 4th and 5th generation. I assume it will also support the upcoming Air as well, considering that we do not expect some big visual changes. iPad holder arrived separated from the keyboard part, which gives you some flexibility and you can detach it or attach it via magnets. The accessory is well made and it seems durable. Maybe it's not the most premium one, but it feels okay while holding it. The case section doesn't bend at all, while the keyboard part is not as much behind. The keyboard section does have a trackpad, which is a must for me. You can detach it from the case section easily, although maybe magnets should have been a bit stronger. Sadly, I don't see a holder or protection for Apple Pencil. To use it, it's all straightforward. Turn on the switch on the right side of the keyboard and connect it to your iPad via Bluetooth. There is no smart connector. Officially, you can use this accessory in multiple ways, although the principal one is a position with a stand, which lets you adjust it anywhere between 30 and 160 degrees angle for entertainment purposes. And with keyboard connector, it instantly becomes an office tool. Oh yeah, and the stand lets you position your iPad vertically too, which is great when you're using it detached from the keyboard. Speaking about it, typing experience is really good, and that's not surprising considering scissor switch structure of the keys, which by the way lets you choose one of 7 different backlit color modes with adjustable intensity. What surprised me the most was a trackpad and how precise it is while using it even with gestures. The click can be more smooth and easier, but nothing else. Keyboard also includes LED indicators for battery, caps lock, and Bluetooth connection. Unboxing BK2007 brings nothing different from previous one. It fully supports previously mentioned Apple tablets, including iPad 10. In the box you will find the keyboard cover alongside the manual and a charging cable, which this time is fully USB-C to USB-C. Weirdly, this accessory does not have such a smooth finish, but it is a fingerprints free and appears to be stronger, partially because BK2007 is just a single piece of case. You cannot split it. It also comes with a keyboard, but there is no trackpad. And while enhanced, it gives impression it's more thin comparable to KB0411. The keyboard part is definitely thicker, which can be felt while typing since key travel is much better and even keys are wider, although I still prefer the presence of the trackpad and overall feel of ergonomic comfort thanks to the palm rest section of KB0411. This keyboard doesn't have a power switch, so in order to wake it up, just attach the iPad section and you're good to go. As with other case, typing experience is extremely satisfying. Sadly, this time there is no backlit. Indicators are there though, and full line of extra keys below for shortcuts such as brightness, search, screenshots, multimedia, volume, etc. Always useful as on the other accessory. Contrary to KB0411, there are no multiple angles of use, only one, but it seems more secure on your lap than the other one, although I wouldn't use it like that. Plus, KB2007 has a special holder for Apple Pencil, so you don't lose it while carrying it around. To summarize, both of these cases are great in their own way, one having the advantage over the other one in some aspects, but it all comes to individual preferences. As I mentioned earlier, my pick is the one that comes with a relatively precise trackpad and backlit keyboard, regardless of its lack of pencil holder and its kinda old charging cable. It comes with a bit higher price, but nothing as brutal as from some other manufacturers. And believe me, the typing experience and a trackpad precision seems in line with other more premium third-party products, which deserves all the praise. My biggest critic to Inateck would be the naming. KB2007 and KB0411 both deserve proper naming and not just a code designation. Come on! That would be all. My big thanks to folks from Inateck for sending me these iPad keyboard cases for testing. I loved it. I hope you enjoyed this video review and a quick comparison. If you did, please subscribe, slap that thumbs up and turn on all notifications. Thank you so much for watching this Markiranja channel. My name is Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.